Hi, I am Modern Hakimo Sannyasi. We Hi, I am Modern Hakimo Sannyasi. Viewers, today we are going to learn and see how to identify the herbal plant named Dodak or Dodi, or it's the big brother of Hazardani. It's also big brother of Hazardani. So it's also milky plant, and it can kill even copper, and it is a very useful plant in killing of metals, in making of kushtas. So please, but first of all, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be informed when our new video will be launched. And now we are going to see its leaves. Here is the plant of Dodak Kalan or Dodi. It's also known as Manda Singhi, which means the big Dodak and the big brother of Hazardani. Here is a plant of Hazardani, and it is very beautiful plant, giving white milk. When we break a leaf, a white milk is produced and came out from the leaves. Here here is another plant, and you can see the pattern and the shape of its flower. Here is another plant of Dodi or Dodak or Manda Singhi, or the big brother of Hazardani. And there are two other plants. Viewers, the main thing to identify this plant is the pattern of its leaves. This pattern helps the plant loving people and other herbal loving people, which always seeks and look for the herbals. So it's the yellow flower. Here you can see yellow flower on its top, and it's the tall plant. It is very useful herbal plant that can kill almost every metal. Killing of metal, making of kushtas is also another field of herbalism.